Everybody trick them to you. Listen, if you're looking to change careers, whether you're in your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, what I'm about to show you is going to blow you away. And the reason why it's going to blow you away is that it's because it's a skill set. And once you learn the skill set, you will literally become unstoppable. And depending on what your age bracket is, 30-year-old, 40s, 50s, in each generation, you begin to think differently. You think like a 30-year-old or you think like a 40-year-old. I can relate to my peers in their 50s. But this one skill set, this video is, oh my gosh, you're going to get so wound up you won't be able to sleep because all of the possibilities are going to start coming to your mind. When you're done watching the video, click the link in the description. If I can be of any assistance, reach out to me. My name's Rick Green, 703-646-1206. Enjoy. Peace. Hey everybody, Trick coming to you. Listen, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to never depend on a job again. I'm not going to take up too much of your time, so let's get with it. I'm getting ready to show you the #1 skill online. And there's a reason why it's the #1 skill, because the income opportunity, it's insane. So let's get started. First and foremost, the first fact you need to remember is that every minute of every day, billions of people search YouTube with the intent, with credit card in hand, with intent to buy something right now, right this minute. And when you understand buyer's intent, that's the key. And you can rank a video. That's secondary. You can create unlimited cash flow. But first, who am I? I'm just a guy with a house full of females. My name is Rick Green. I rank digital real estate in the form of videos all over YouTube and the web for various search terms. And that's the reason why this skill is unlimited, because there are millions, billions of different search terms. And it's unlimited, the amount of opportunity that's out here. Here I am ranking for a #1. You can see here for Advertising Bait Review. I'm no rookie to the game. I've been around for a minute. I've spent thousands on training, thousands on products. And here I am again for Royalty Gym Review. That's my primary business. Advertising Bait is also one of my primaries. That's an incentive program. People want deals. People want to feel like they're getting a deal working with you. Like I said, here I am for Royalty Gym Review. Royalty Review, same video, still ranking. How to start a lead generation business. Here's my video here. Future Ad Pro. I no longer promote that particular business model, but here's my ranking term there. This video, here I am at the bottom. These other 3 guys, these are all my business partners for Advertising Boost. When you understand buyer's intent, it's like having your own crystal ball, because you already know what's coming. It'll make more sense here in a minute. Here's the beauty, is that at different times of the year, searches become predictable. That means that, once you get the skills, you can literally make as much as you want. It all depends on how many properties you want out there. When you understand Google Trends, look at this. You'll be able to find products like this that are on the move, that are on their way up, increasing. That's what you want to look for. Remember the slide? You think you know what this is? Let's look at this. Year after year, this exact phrase is searched. Best Buy Black Friday deals. I actually left the word deals off of this. But check this out. When you come over here, Best Buy Black Friday deals, right? Look at this. Look at the cursor here. At the beginning of October, right? Every year, like clockwork. Every year, like clockwork. This thing's about ready to take off. Like clockwork. Now, here's the kicker. What if this was your video? Yeah, you'd be sitting in the sweet spot. And what if this was your, I love this particular example. What if this was your video? Best Buy Black Friday deals, right? It's coming. This particular video got 350,000 views. Now, here's the secret about ranking YouTube videos, and which is the average, right around the average. It's the power of 1%. And here's what the power of 1% is: that on average, you can expect maybe a 1% click-through rate, 1% sales rate. 1% out of 350,000 views is 3,500 sales, right? 3,500 sales on a simple $10 product, right? Do the math. That's $35,000. One video. Better than real estate. This is what most people understand. This is the secret. This is why people are so twisted about understanding YouTube and learning the game. So what's the process? One, understand buyer's intent. See, this is the key. I knew how to rank, but the buyer's intent, I needed work. Step two, learn the search keywords. I knew a couple of them, but not as many as I knew that there was more, right? Three, rank the video. What's the problem learning from YouTube? One, there's a gazillion people teaching you how to rank stuff on YouTube, right? One of the biggest for me, buyer intent, for one of the biggest problems that I ran into was the fact that buyer intent is not taught as part of the process, right? You got a lot of people teaching you how to rank with some of it's outdated information. How do I know? Because I purchased it. I'm in a position that I wanted to know the information, so I started buying courses, right? Another big problem, only bits and pieces are taught. Google Trends is not taught as part of the process, right? Understanding consumer psychology is not taught as part of the process. You can waste a lot of time trying to figure all this out was what I ended up doing. Look, I missed one. Personas, I'll get more into that later. That's definitely not taught anywhere online. That's one of the biggest secrets out there. But here's the kicker. Here's one of the biggest problems is that, you're led to believe that the only way to make money is to have 1 million followers. Well, I wasn't trying to be popular. Still not trying to be popular, right? But a lot of the videos lead you to believe that you have to have 1 million different followers and that's the only way to make money. Wrong. And besides that, you got people charging thousands of dollars for basic YouTube training, right? Ran into this one chick. She's got 3.5 million videos out there and you never see her face. Never. Think about that one for a minute. 3.5 million videos she had. So what I'm about to show you, why is this so different from everybody else? Simple. One, we can't believe the ridiculously low price that dude is selling this for. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. So what's so special about this training? One, he's teaching when nobody else is teaching. That was the secret. That was my secret. The entire process on how it all works. He's teaching buyer intent, Google Trends, consumer psychology, which is the key. I might throw in a slide of what happened with Amazon once they implemented the consumer psychology piece. All of a sudden, Amazon blew up. He's practically giving it away, and he teaches the secrets that no one talks about. Here's the guy. His name's Chris Durenberger, and the course is called YT Supremacy. It's a very for something. Like I said, we're blown away by this particular product. All the big time YouTube rankers, they're all in this group. See this right here, join the Facebook group. They're all in this group. And there are people in here with millions of videos, right? Millions. And which tells you something. That spoke volumes to me. And you never see their face. They're not, you won't find them on YouTube because they're underground. But they're all in this group. And I'm like, wow, that spoke more to me than pretty much anything else, because a lot of the people, they don't want to show their face, and so they're making money not by their popularity. This is the basic training here. This is a steal. This is only like $12.95, $12.95. Crazy, 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 crazy. And what you get with this is insane. But now these are the upsells. In here he's got you get the basic training here. and then you get the bonus videos with it. In this case study upsell, he walks you through his process. The value, like I said, the value in all of this is insane. But here's the secret sauce. Well, all of it is the secret sauce. The right here, the Google Trends, the buyer's intent, the keyword ranking, and solving problem videos. That right there, this little section right here, this creating affiliate videos, this one section for me, oh my gosh, that will literally pay for the entire course. That right there is worth thousands to you. Thousands. You want to find that, I'm going to show you the result of at the end of this video. I'm going to give you a niche, and I found it because of the solving problems videos. This one section right here. The YT personas, those are the secrets no one talks about online. You can't even find you can't even find a video on it, right? But like I said, these and this whole package is under $200. It's like $183. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. This thing is worth thousands. In any event, don't want to show your face here? No problem. Here's your video right there. Boom. This one blue box right here. You will literally be able to take the terms that are in this box, go to YouTube and type in variations of these terms and find millions of products. Millions of products of people millions of products of people who are ready to buy right now. That one box blew me away. I was like, oh my God. I literally took the terms that were in this box, went to YouTube and started typing in. And what came up, I never would have came up with on my own in a million years, because I don't think that way. That one box is worth thousands. Thousands. This little video right here is worth thousands to you. All right, now here's my first bonus to you. I'm going to give you a niche. I'm going to give you the first niche, and I found this from Solving Problems video. Here's my gift to you. Best shapewear for tummies. As a dude, I never would think like that, but you got to remember, when you begin to understand consumer psychology, a woman and her body and the way she feels about herself, there's millions of dollars being made. Millions, just one product, right? Look at this search term. It's on the rise. Check this out. Now, best shapewear for tummy. Option number one. Are you kidding me? And over here, right, in this box tells you it's easy to rank for, right? The primary ranking video optimization basically comes down to three things, right? And here they are. Keywords in your titles, keywords in your descriptions, keywords and tags. Look at this. Out of all these 14 videos, nobody has their video optimized for this keyword. See, no one's got it. The term is best shapewear for tummy. Exactly, that exact term. And look, no one's got it in their title. No one's got it in their, and that's what they're telling you here. No one's got it as their title. No one's got it in their description, and no one's got it in their tags, which means you pop in one video. And you're like, Rick, where am I going to get the video? There are secrets. Depending on which video, there are ways to find videos that you can literally use. Download the YouTube video, change the description, change the tags, and then upload it right back into YouTube. Guess what? You never have to show your face because there's secrets. That's why I'm telling you. This training is unbelievable. Do yourself a favor. The skill set that you get, you will never worry about. You will never have to worry about how to make money online ever again, because you will understand. And then you realize the fact that there are millions of people, they have their credit card in hand right this minute, looking for something to buy, looking for best shapewear like this. Look at this. This thing gets 26,000 searches a month on average. So that's roughly 1,000 searches a day. People are searching this particular term. 1,000 a day. I'm Rick. I've also got my own special bonuses for those of you guys that partner up with me. I'm going to give you my workflow. I might even throw in a vacation for you. Yeah, that one of the partners I'm allowed to give. I give away incentives, restaurant vacation, restaurant vouchers, vacation packages, you name it. I can give away tons of stuff, and I showed it in one of the videos that I ranked for. I partnered up with an incentive program. I own a social media agency, which means this: you want to blow up, you want some influence. What I have in store for you is insane. It's unreal. I don't want to overwhelm you, but those of you guys that decide to partner up, and those of you guys who get the entire package is under $183, something like that, if you decide to get all four. I'm going to blow your mind, period. In any event, if you have any questions for me, hit me up, 703-646-1206. So skills make money. Skills make money. Opportunities don't. I just showed you how to get skills. And once you get the skills, millions of search terms, so much money to be made. It's not even funny. Talk to you later. Peace.